Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel, dear Shiva, and I am thrilled to have you join me on this incredible journey. In this video, we are going to learn about Hadoop installation, and by the end of it, you will have a step-by-step knowledge how to install Hadoop on your local system. Whether you are a curious learner or someone looking to deepen your knowledge, you are in the right place. We have crafted this video to be informative, engaging, and most importantly, easy to follow. But before we jump into the nitty gritty, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Learning is a journey, and we are excited to have you along for the ride. Alright, no more delay. Let's get started with the topic Hadoop installation. So, first of all, to install this Hadoop system to your local Hadoop to your local system, first of all, we need two different file. First file, we need a VirtualBox. Link is given here. If you can see here, link is already given, and link is given here. Sorry, link is here only. So, or go to VirtualBox, or go to Google and type here virtual box, and you will get a link which is from Oracle. So you will get a link, and you can go and you can download the link from that VirtualBox from its site. For Windows, you need to download Windows hosts, and for other operating system user, they need to download as per their uh, operating system installed. So whenever you will click here, it will start it. I already have downloaded this, so I will not download again. Okay, and after this you will have to download another file that is that is that is a Cloudera Quick Start VM. Okay, so we need to download Cloudera Quick Start VM. For that, to download that file, I have given this link. Go there and download that file from the given link. Okay, and go and just paste it here. After entering, you will see this type of window. From there you need to download, and after downloading you will get a file, like you will get a two different file like this. Okay, one will be a virtual box and one is Cloudera Quick Start VM. In Cloudera Quick Start VM, there is two different file. One is OVF file, Open Virtualization format, and one is Virtual Machine Disk format. So what we need to do, first install this file, like first install VirtualBox, click here yes, and after that it will take you to the installation wizard. Okay, I already have installed, so I will not click next, I will cancel it. Okay, and and after that, after successful installation of this VirtualBox, you have to go to the this Cloudera Quick Start. This is already extracted, but whenever you will download, you will get it at a zipped file. Okay, and so first you have to extract from that zipped file, and after that go to the internal file. Now right click on the Cloudera Quick Start VM, like OVF file, and open it with VirtualBox. Okay, VirtualBox manager. So whenever you will click here on the open VirtualBox manager, you will get a uh, window like this. Okay, there you have to specify the RAM. So to install these things, you must have a RAM more than 8 GB. Okay, so because 8 GB, this application, this virtual machine needs 8 GB, 4 GB. Okay, assign 4 GB VirtualBox and click on Start from menu bar. After giving that RAM capacity, click on Finish, and you will come here. Okay, now there you will get a Start button like this. Click on Start button, and then you will get a windows like this. Okay, after starting you will get a windows like this. If your successful installation will show you a window like this. If can show you, this is my virtual machine, and here I have, this is showing so because I already my system is already running. So this is, that is why it is not showing a start button here. So, and if I show my Cloudera, so after successful installation your windows will look like this. Okay, and is there anything else? No. So, and there you have it, comprehensive exploration of Hadoop installation. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed creating it for you. Remember, learning doesn't stop here. There is a whole world of knowledge waiting for you. So keep exploring, asking question, and keep that curiosity alive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and or share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. Your support fuels our passion from creating more educational content. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to DS Shiva, that is my YouTube channel, and turn on those notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, keep learning and keep growing. This is Shiva shining off. Thank you.